Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of May. Please keep in mind that the general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Let us see what your month has. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that you don't miss my videos. Alright Librans, so this month will start with a bang. Something will have to crumble down. There's a tower moment just at the start. I'll definitely clarify this, but going forward, you'll have to walk away from something to get something is the general theme of the month. So because you have options, you will have to leave something which was just a page of cups energy, which means it wasn't substantial, it wasn't very sure shot, not very long term, but you had a good time, and then you have more options, more people who really want to be around you, who really like you. So I think you'll have to leave something to think about these options. Let me see what the second week has for you. Second week has a big love offer coming towards you, which is a king energy, which is not the page energy. But again, there's a sense of struggle around accepting that offer. Why? Because you're stuck on that energy and you're not letting the tower moment happen, or you probably like to stop it, and that is why the struggle. But I think that from the page of cups which you are dealing with right now, the king of cups energy will definitely come towards you with a lot of love, with a lot of promises, and you, I think, let's see what the Lovers card third week has for you. Third week will see you deciding about this offer with a lot of where you feel there are a lot of emotions, a lot of because the other person was not very truthful with you. There were a lot of hidden emotions, hidden things. There were a lot of not very truthful. And but this offer which you will decide will definitely give you abundance, which is a promise of the future, marriage, settlement, soulmate kind of an energy which will come towards you. Let us see what the fourth week has for you. Again, the fourth week will have some area of work, where you really have to defend yourself, where you really have to decide, stand your ground, work hard. What you don't see coming is abundance, like I said. But I think Libra, this month is looking good. But get over that toxic energy, get over that heavy emotions and that non-committal energy, and you will definitely see positive things coming towards you. Let me clarify this once quickly. Lovers again. So yes, it's a soulmate energy coming towards you. Tower coming twice. You really need to get over that non-committal toxic person that you were into. I know it will take a lot of strength. You need a strength because your soulmate is waiting at the end of the corner and wanting you, or waiting for you to get over this toxic energy you're stuck in, or you're currently attached to. In order to give you that offer, or for you to take that offer, you need to really get over it. Let me see how you can handle the situation. Alright, so you need conviction for this tower moment. You need conviction that okay, I'm done with it, and be silent. Don't go about boasting, or don't go about criticizing, or don't go about telling everyone. Just do it, because that will give you satisfaction, that will give you peace, that will give you more clarity. And like I told you, soulmate connection is around the corner. But obviously we need to do hard work before we get what we really want, right? So your work from you would be getting over this tower moment. Let this tower moment happen. This is inevitable, and you are walking towards peace. You're walking towards clarity. You're walking towards soulmate. So Librans, just let it happen. This is all I have for you this month, and I hope you have a good month. And thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't.